Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to code guys Infinix on my phone hidden future setting guys, and today we will try to guys smart panel setting guys. How can we use? Friends, we want to use guys your phone smart panel settings. So how can you use today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, scroll it and friends you can see iPhone special function setting is tap here smart panel guys, you can find here and you can on and you can use. So we will on it after on guys. You can see smart panel guys, how can we use the notification guys, you can check. So friends you can see the right side guys when you will do like that. So friends smart panel will on guys, you can say guys as like a shortcut setting. You want to on camera guys, notepad, chrome app, whatsapp, play store. And friends you want to add guys any app, so guys you can add and you can use from here. So like that guys you can on and guys you can use guys smart panel setting. As you can see guys scanner screen recording guys you want to on, so you can start direct from here guys. So like that guys smart panel setting guys, we can use it in Infinix phone device guys. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.